Good morning, good morning. What's going on? What's up? What's up? What's up? All right. So, we're back. And as you can see, my equity, I'm still way down, still way down. Haven't got a chance to put any more money in it right now, but working on something right now. But I was out for a couple weeks because I had some issues and I just wanted to step back a little bit. But right now it's so I'm trading SOXL, SOXX. It's a very high volatile stock. It's an ETF. It's an ETF, and this ETF monitors the semiconductors. It mirrors the SPY, but at a cheaper version, and it's a three x leverage stock. ETFs, 3x leverage. So my goal is to make as much money as possible I can. My goal is to try to get $1 a day off these, even though I'm not going to make much money today or the next week or so. But the goal is to make $1. I need to show consistency. So consistency is very important. So I need to be consistent in order for me to throw any more money back in these stocks because I've been doing tons and tons of homework. I look at things and I tell myself, you already know what to do. What are you doing? You already know what to do. And it's just weird. Like after the fact, I'm like, so like I don't know what to do in the after fact. He's like, man, the setup's right there. Just take the shot. You already know what to do. Stop overthinking things. So right now, we got about half a minute left, and I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna be trading Soxel, if not Sox. And I do have another stock on the side there, just in case. You know, it's a metal company, but I'm interested more in Soxel because uh, I can go short and long on this. So here we go. 10 seconds. Let's see where we're at. Damn it, I missed it. I missed it. I missed it. I missed it. I should have just. See, the goal is to try to make $1. But I still think that action there is late. I think we're going to go short today. I think. Because I believe we're going to go short. So. How come I saying so? So I missed that. The beginning there. So I believe that we're going to go short. Because the war is still raging on and everybody's still bullish, but right now we're looking bullish. We're looking bullish right now. Half the market's green, half the market's red. Half the market's green, half the market's red. I'm going to go short. I'm going to go short here. I was going to go, I'm going short 40, 54.65. Damn it. 54.65. That's where I'm at. 54.65. I'm short. I should have went long. I would have been up $2 almost. Maybe no, about a dollar, maybe two. But I'm short. I believe that this is false because we're still in war, and I changed this. I changed this around. You no longer can see how much I'm making. I've changed it. I've changed this. I've moved my shares over there, my market value right there, my average cost, and the how many cents I'm up or down, and I'm down 40 cents. Jeez, I'm down 40 cents, 50 cents. I thought for sure this was going to go short. I don't know why this is going long. Yeah, I'm getting smoked on this. When are these guys going to come to their senses? Let me see. I'm on the SPY. I'm looking at the SPY. The SPY is went up, down, up. Damn, the SPY is still going up. Still rallying up. I'm down 83 cents. The goal is to make $1. That's the goal, is to make $1. So the SPY is bullish. The SPY is kind of bullish, I guess. Not really. I got a big green candle. This is the 5-minute chart on the right. There's a 5-minute chart right here on the right. I'm still bearish, man. I really am. I'm still bearish. I mean, the war is still moving on. I don't. And there's the SPY right there getting ready to push back up even more. Jeez. I should have been a hyper scalper on this. I should have hyper scalped this crap, man. So on the 5-minute chart, there's a red candle turning green. CNBC is doom and gloom. CNBC is doing doom and gloom, and the market just might be an outlier again. I should have just followed the price action. So SPY on the 1 minute is green on that 1-minute candle, but Soxol is red. That's weird. The SPY 1 minute, Soxol 1 minute. Why is the SPY? Is this thing set right? Okay, so the market is reversing. The goal is to make $1. I should have been on the green, maybe follow that up for $1, but now I am 11 cents because I took out the dollar value on there. I took out the dollar value. I don't want to see that because that right there tells me if I'm down at 100, I'm down at 200. Because I was down as much as almost $1, and I still didn't sell. I should have sold. I was holding on way too long. The SPY is reversing. The SPY is reversing, and we're at 54.65, 54.65, and we're up 30 cents. And the goal is to make $1 every day on Soxol, if not SOXS. The goal is to try to make $1. If I can make $1 a day with $50,000, that's $1,000 every day. That's $20,000 a month. Yeah. Maybe I should have waited and got in on the top there, right? Damn, because it's already down $1. So 58. It went as. Yeah, I was awfully slow. I didn't eat anything. I didn't have anything to drink this morning. I kind of messed up. I didn't eat anything. I didn't drink anything. I was not really focused in this right now. But it says I'm up 49, 50 cents around there. And I believe it's going to go lower. The president's still pushing that he's going to destroy the world, destroy Iran. And, there's whispers of peace talks, but there's whispers of he's going to annihilate them. So when you get two confusing positions like that, it's like, you tell yourself, what's going on here, So I could have got 50 cents going up and 50 cents going down. And right now I'm negative again. Yeah, I gotta follow the, okay, so now I'm gonna follow. Yeah, I'm hanging on this way too long like this. This is not good. Should have took the 50 cents. Just try to make $1. Should have took the 50 cents. So we're at a narrow state now. We got I actually changed it from the 9 to the 10 EMA. I got the 20 EMA and I got the 34 EMA. And then I got the 200. You see them all right there? They're at a narrow state. They're at a narrow state. That first whipping around was that first whipping around. I'm gonna change this to the 5-minute. It says there's a direction change. There's a direction change. Hopefully not up. Shit, man. Yeah, so I had an opportunity to get 50 cents up and 50 cents down. I would have been out of this thing a long time ago, right? But that's why the payrolls went up 187,000. Damn it! I missed that news. That's why the market is strong. The payrolls went up 178,000. In other words, they hired this last month. They hired 178,000 people. That's a lot. Not. I mean, easy around 150 to 300,000. But I'm still banking on $1. So right now, 56 cents. Come on, man. Let me get $1 out of this, and I can get out of this. I am short 54.65. Come on, let me get out of here. Let me get out of this thing. Or get close to it, and then I can make up the rest later. This thing moves so fast like a penny stock. It moves like a penny stock, which is really awesome. The way I like it. I like it when it moves like that. So we're in indecision right now. I need a Donald Trump tweet. We're going to bomb them all! We're going to bomb them all! I need a tweet like that, man. We're going to bring them back to the Stone Age. I get a tweet like that, this thing goes to my $1. Oh, man. So we're still at a narrow state. Look at all my, damn it, I might have messed up, man. This might go long. I'm at a narrow state right now. All my indicators are close, are at a narrow state. The 200, the 20, they're all right there. Come on, go down. Go down, go down. Doom and gloom, CNBC. Pump it out. Start pumping out the doom and gloom like you guys always do, man. Pump it out. Doom and gloom. Damn it. I might get smoked on this one. I might get smoked. I started off with $800. We might get smoked on this one. Oh, no. Could have made the $1 already, man. Could have made it already. Oh, no, we're going up. The 20 and the 200. Everybody's jumping on the 20 and the 200. There it is. Everybody's jumping on it. I think I'm going to get out of this and redo this. Because the 20 and the 200 is starting to curl up. Yeah, I'm out. I'm gonna go long. I'm going long. We're long now. I'm at 54.83. 54.83 because the job report remove. I'm long. Hopefully I can get pushed up to at least 50 cents. Look at the all the indicators are pointing up now. I got a green arrow. I'm up 20 cents. I should have took the 50 cents going down. You know what? I got to take that. So 54.83, 55.83 is right here. Let's go ahead and edit this to blue. 55.83 right there. That's $1 right there. So we're still pointing up. The indicators are leaving the 200. We were at a narrow state. Now we're going to a long state. Hopefully that stays green enough. The 20's down there. I mean, it could reverse, but we got a good job report. I don't know, man. We got okay. There's another green arrow telling me that we're still bullish. That green arrow is my level 2 indicator, which reads the level 2, and it tells me that there are buyers storming in. Buyers are storming in. It helps me read the level 2. If this is the case, because the level 2 is so fast, right? You can't really read it. Sometimes you can't really read it. You try to read what's on the bids, but that arrow reads the level 2 indicator for me. So let's see if this thing rallies up, keeps rallying. First red candle, I'm out. I'm on the 1 minute chart, and this thing is struggling. $0.22. Yeah, I lost money on that. I lost $10. That's all right. Let's see right here. Come on, man. Push this up. I don't see any red on the 1 minute. I need another green arrow right here. Another green arrow to show that this thing is strong enough. Because this thing can turn on a dime. Look at like right there. It can turn on a dime. It can turn on a dime. I'm just gonna go with what this thing. I'm looking at the 5 minute, Hikinashi. I'm looking at all this stuff right here. It's telling me it's going up. $1. Give me one freaking dollar, man. Oh, see that? I just saw a little. Okay, but then I got another green arrow. The green arrow says that they're pushing it up. The green arrow says that they're pushing it up. I'm seeing bullish on the SPY too. The SPY is bullish. There's a strong green arrow on the SPY. Here we go. 55.83 is $1. Look at those wicks, man. Those wicks are devastating. Those wicks are devastating. So I'm doing this the hard way now. I'm doing this the hard way. I should have done it before. Got in on the green, got in and selling the red. I should have had the 50 cents. Should have had the dollar there. But let's see. So I'm following all my indicators, and I'm getting the green arrows. The green arrow is saying that it's bullish. And there's my blue line up there. The blue line says that that's $1. If I can get to that blue line, then that's it. I'll make $1 a day. And I screwed this up so far. That little line across right there, did you see right there? That's the pre-market high. That white dotted line is the pre-market high. So it broke it. Is it going to hang on to it? The 5 minute chart says we're still green. We got a green on the 5 minute chart. Man, this thing can turn around so fast. But everything is still pointing up. That might be just the first red candle, relief candle. But this thing can turn right around and go right back down and But okay, so everybody's bullish. Everybody's bullish still. Okay. Everybody's bullish. Got 30 seconds on this candle here. On the 1 minute candle, got 30 seconds. We're bullish on the 5 minute. We're bullish on the SPY is kinda, it's got like it's trying to be bullish, the SPY. Man, it's pretty tough right there. It's come on, man. Let me get a big green candle right here. 40 cents. Damn it, where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Hopefully that's just a bounce off the 10. I changed that from the 9 EMA to the 10. That's a bounce. Hopefully that's just a bounce. Hopefully that's just a bounce. We are going away from a narrow state to a wide state on these indicators compared to the 200. That's the classic Oliver Velez play. The classic Oliver Velez. Narrow state to a wide state. We got a big red candle there. Hopefully this thing can still go back up. I mean, I'm looking. Damn it, man. That thing brought it right back down, didn't it? It bounced off the 10. It actually broke the 10 a little bit and bounced off it. Does this thing still go back up? Is that just a little resting period? Are we still bullish? There's this next candle right here. Let's see if we get a green. Stay green. Now I need a green arrow underneath it. If I get a green arrow underneath this, I'm still in good shape. A green arrow. I need a green arrow right here. It doesn't look like it's going to do it. It might even go short, man. Yeah, I missed my opportunity in the beginning. Should have got the 50 cents. Should have got the 50 cents. I messed up. Idiot. Look at that. There it goes. Down below. Are we going to keep going? Are we going to try to keep going up? So it touched the 20. It almost touched the 20. It almost touched the 20. The 20 is still pointing up. Let me get a green arrow here. A green arrow would really help out. Things are frozen on my screens. What's going on? What's wrong with this? This thing's frozen. Okay. I got a green arrow. I don't know if I'm going to get out. I got an issue here. Let's see. I might not be able to even get out. What's going on here? I can't even spell frozen? Come on, man. How do I do that? It says change the quote server. How the fuck you do that? Excuse my language. File. Data. Stream mode. What? It says I'm connected. Let me see if I can even get out of this stock now, because we're crashing and burning here. Crashing and burning. Okay, good, got it. Okay. Thanks. Of course, in the middle of trading. Crash and burn today, man. Crash and burn. So I got to get out of this because this thing's not working out. Damn it, get this thing off the screen. See that? It looks like the stock is going to go south on me. So I'm out. Down $10. I'm out. Yeah, totally disaster, man. Total complete disaster. Okay, get in this. Come on, short. Got in a horrible fill, too. Horrible fill. 54, 58. That's way down here, man. Jeez. Horrible fill. This whole day was garbage from the beginning, man. Messed up. Couldn't even get close to 50. I got 50 cents twice. Yeah. I got 50 cents twice. And I got filled way down the bottom here. Oh, gosh. This thing's got to go way down. Oh. Yeah, this thing's got to go way down, man. Damn, and bouncing off to 200. Messed up there, too. This thing might just reverse and keep going back up. It might be a choppy day. Oh, look at that. Horrible fill. So we had 178,000 jobs. I keep hovering around where I got in. Oh, stupid play, man. Stupid me. So I messed up this day. Down $10. Oh, God. Yeah. Come on, Trump. Come out with the tweet, man. Need to reset my brain. Yeah. So I'm in pretty high here. Oh, gosh. Yeah, this is truly a choppy market right now. Truly choppy. On the 1 minute, none of these EMAs can even work. They can't even work because It whips up so fast, whips down so fast, whips up so fast. I can't even see a pattern. I do see the 10 trying to cross below the 20. If that keeps going down, and I see the 20 cross below the 34, then we might have something here. But I'm so freaking high up, it's not even freaking funny. So I need what? 54, 58, 53, 58, which is right here. I could probably get that better than going up, because going up it seems to be harder. But let's see what happens here. Oh, man. Let's not fall apart there, fellas. So the knife could fall faster than it goes up. It seems like that's how it is in the world, anyways, right? It struggles, it goes up, but it can it fails faster. I mean, in other words, just right. So let's hope if this thing breaks to 200, I'm in good shape after that. If this thing breaks to 200, and right now all my the 10 is crossed the 20, and the 10 is about to cross the 34. If the 10 can cross the 34, then the 20 will follow, and then we might be in something here. We might be able to make that dollar after all. So I'm looking at, I pulled up the 10-second chart, the 10-second. It's not really, I'm not really too excited about it. Can't really zoom in or zoom out on the Dash Trader Pro. It needs work, because when I was actually trying to go in the configure, it actually popped up. A crash picture. It displayed you crashed. The 10-second chart crashed, and it crashed out everything for me. It crashed out my whole DAS. So yeah, so that's what happened there. I got this one. Damn. And look at that. Turns right around. Turn right around. That's pretty crazy, because it went from 54, 53, all the way up to 55. Look how fast that thing. That's 80 cents. It moved up 80 cents like that. Like, how's the 5-minute chart? The 5-minute looks like it's turning around. I mean, it's turning. We're going down. Can I get at least a dollar? 53.68, and we'll call it 53.68. You see that big push off the 200? Wow. That push off the 200 was scary. So SPY is different from Soxo. I thought it mirrored it perfectly. It does not mirror it perfectly, because the SPY is actually moving up. The SPY is on an uptrend, but Soxo's on a downtrend. So semiconductors are selling off. Semiconductors are selling off. It's crazy how the semiconductors are selling off, and SPY is still on a bullish. That's crazy. Oh my God, 53.68. We're gonna get 53.68. Let's see. Come on, baby. Give me $1. I know I messed up. I know I messed up big time. Give me $1. $1. If this thing goes below the open line there, we might be on something there. $1. I'm not even gonna sell, man. Look at all my indicators are saying it's going down. I got in. Actually, I thought I was too late for the party. If you look at my indicators, I actually got in early. I actually got in too early. Now that the indicators are pointing that they're all crossing each other, and the 20 is about to cross over the 34, I might have got in really good. I might have got in at a good price. I was worried that I got in too far down. And there is a pink arrow. That pink arrow says sellers are coming in strong. Sellers are coming in strong. There's my line down there, 53.68. Is it going to touch it for my dollar? Whoops. Is it going to touch it? Where am I at? Right there. Let me, okay, make sure I'm on the right one here. Okay. So we're close to my 53.68. 53.68, $1. I'm out. That's the goal for the day. Every single day. And there it is, baby. $1. Come on. If I can make, because this SOXL moves 3 times. It's 3 times leverage. If I can make $1 a day, that's awesome. So I'm already, so I actually, let's see what I need to make. I need to make this, hopefully this thing goes down even further. Come on, bears. This is a bear. This is a bear. This is the bears play. Okay, now the SPY is crossing over. Now the SPY is crossing over. Okay, so we're at 85 cents. 85 cents. 85 cents. 91 cents. 93 cents. 96 cents. Since I'm down $10, I need to go a little further down, right? There it goes. There it goes. Bears in the house, sucker. Bears in the house. So I'm about to cover this puppy, but not yet, right? Because the SPY just went red. The 5-minute bet, well, it's been red for this candle here, but I think the SPY is going to go even more red. I don't want to get out too early. There's another pink candle. That means that the bears are coming in strong. The bears are coming in strong. There we go. There we go. $1.20. $1.27. $1.27. $1.20. $1.23. $1.26. We got a little push up with the little green candle. Does that now the 5-minute chart on the you see the 200 moving average on the 5-minute chart? If it breaks that, now we're really cooking with butter. We're really cooking with butter. So I'm over $1, thank goodness. We're over $1. Does this thing bounce back? Or we go down even lower? See, that's why I like SOXL, man. It moves like a penny stock, but it's 3x leverage. Is awesome. Where is? Let me push this right here. There we go. Sorry about that. $1.39. This is exactly what I was looking for. Exactly what I was looking for. Right there. Here we go. $1.50. I'm going to get out at $1.50. Can I even push that right here? Feel free. Yeah, I'm just going to sell it. $1.46. $1.50. Boom. Out. Done, son. It could have went longer. I should have stayed in, right? Could have went longer. Could have went longer. Could have went longer, but I just wanted to make my daily goal. My daily goal was $1, and I went, and it did good. It did good. It did good. So let's do some math here. Let's do some math. 54.65. 54.65 was the price that I got in short. And then I got out 54.89. Let's do the math because I was actually negative $10 there. Let's do the math. Okay. Come on. Give me some math. Give me some math here. Here we go. 54.89 minus 54.65. 54.65. 20. Wow, I was actually down 24 cents. So I was negative 24 cents. And then the next move, I got in at 54.83.99, and I got out at 54.83.01. So actually, it broke even. I'll just say even on that one. And then I got in short at 54.58. 54.58. And got out at 53. So $1.58. So $1.58 minus 24. $1.34. So I made $1.34 today, and my goal was $1. And I and I botched the whole thing. I really did. I botched the whole thing. I botched it. Should have took the 50 cents when I had a chance. Should have took the other 50 cents when I had a chance. And look at this. Yeah, I botched it, man. Should have stayed in longer, right? Everything was still pointing. This thing might even go down even more. I don't even know. I didn't even want to deal with it. So the goal is this: $1 a day, $1 a day, and I made $1.34 today. I made $1.34. If I can get $1 a day with $50,000, that's $1,000 a day. I'm not looking for the home runs no more. I'm looking to make a living on this. I'm looking to make a living. So I have truly just need to focus on the $1 a day. And I could have got it long before this, but all the indicators were showing that it was falling, and I kind of got lucky there. So if we look at the chart right now, it's exactly what I thought it was. I thought it was going to go down from the beginning, but maybe because I think the bad news was still bad because of because Trump is talking about bombing everything, and then you start hearing other reports from Pakistan and Egypt saying that they're trying to broker a peace deal, and well, everybody come to the table, and it sounds good, but it's Trump at the same time saying, I want to bomb all the bridges, bomb all the power plants, and pull them back to the Stone Ages. So that doesn't help that part. And then today we did have some good news on the jobs report. The 178,000 jobs were added. So so that probably was that momentum push in the beginning right there, was that. But I should have been quick on the trigger. I should have got up a little earlier. I'm gonna set my alarm clock for 15 minutes earlier so I can get that coffee in and get that food in. Jump in a 2-minute shower, feel real good, feel fired, ready to go, and be focused, ready to go on this, because I did miss out the 50 cents going up, because I watched it. I stared like a deer in the headlights, right? Imagine if I was short. Well, I was long. I did go long, but I should, as soon as I saw the green, I should jump in. Green, jump in, all the way up. That right there. I mean, if I would have got in even at the 254, let's say 54, all the way to, yeah, I could have had my $1.50 right on the first 4 bars. I could have had my $1 there, and on the way down, another $1. Could have been $2, $3. You see what I'm saying? Trading's hard, but I love SOXL. I love it. I think that's the one I'm going to concentrate on. That's the one I'm going to concentrate on the most. That one and its sister, SOXS, the short. Yeah, I'm going to concentrate on that one because it seemed. It seems. I like the way it moves because I like the way the penny stock moves, but it's not really like a penny stock. Because penny stock is like a 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar death candle. And this one, it didn't seem like it doesn't. You'll see it drop down, drop up. I saw 2 candles did that, but it's usually when it's on this momentum, it's on a momentum, but 3x momentum. But not 1 bar, 2 bar, dude. Death candle, death candle, death. Screw that, man. I'm gonna. So this is cheap enough. It's at $50-something a share, and hopefully it goes lower. But I did my job. It's 12 minutes past 10. I started at 9:30, so I did about half an hour's work just to make $1. Get in, get out, get my $1 a day, and make a living trading. I want to make a living trading. I don't want to be that Moon AMC I want to make $100,000 in one trade. It's boom or bust. I know I've been doing that for the last trades, I was getting impatient, but I think I found the right stock because the stocks I was trading, like ONDS and Mara, to me they were moving really slow, and I wasn't really making any money off it. And I'm not talking about making money now. I'm just talking about my daily goal of $1. But yeah, I get so frustrated. But then I revert back to the penny stocks and be up 3,000 and then down 5,000. And then I end up closing the day down 3,000 or down 1,000. And then I'm really truly frustrated. So uh, I am going to concentrate on these two stocks. I like the way they move. I see the potential, and I just gotta bring up my value of my net equity. I gotta bring that up sometime, maybe next week, the week after. But I'm just gonna still keep. I'm in training mode right now, so that I can learn this stock very well, learn this ETF leverage very very well. I want to learn it, and it did not follow. Wow! And I was looking at the SPY. It did not follow the SPY like I thought it would. I mean, I don't have that, but let me go ahead and put it right here. I'll put the SPY next to. So the SPY is the whole. It's the S&P, the 500 best stocks. Let me go right here to 1 minute. So look at the SPY. Zoom in. The SPY is choppy. It's range bound too. But look at that. This went up. What time is this? 9:35. 9:35. 9:35 to 10 to say let's just say 10 o'clock. 9:35 to 10. Look at it. By 9:50 it was already before that. By 9:45 it was already starting to go down. 9:45. And 9:45 this thing is still uptrending. The SPY was uptrending. So the SPY, even though it does have it, the power of the SPY does dictate most of the market. It didn't. It didn't on this one. Saxo was going down. The SPY was going up. SPY was still bullish, while Saxo was bearish. Was pushing bearish. That was crazy. That's crazy how that was. So I'm going to. I might. I don't know. Maybe I just put SPY back over here and keep an eye on it because it doesn't follow it to a T at all. And I could just concentrate just on Soxhole because Soxhole is a semiconductor. They follow the semiconductor stocks, NVIDIA and AMD and Intel. I mean, that's what I need to follow. Yeah, that's what I do. And SOXS is the inverse of any bullish. It's the bear of the. It's bearish. It's the bear 3x bear leverage. So there it is. Done. Made my goal. Did better. $1.34. My goal is $1. I should have done better at it. But this is what I've been thinking. This is what I've been planning on for the past 2 weeks. I've been trying to find a better strategy, a better way, and I can do this. I can do this. I truly can. I just got to get on the right side, and that's it. And I did. Just got to get on the right side. That's all I got to do. And there it is. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and we'll do the same thing. Soxhole and SOXS. Do the right thing. I'm gonna continue to try to do the same thing. So $1 a day. Try to make a living off trading. Not trying to be a multi-millionaire, which would be lovely, great, right? Lambos. I get it. But if I can make $1,000 a day, that's 20 grand. What is that? $1,000 a day? That's 220,000 a year. That's a great living. Just working 20 days out of the month, right? It's roughly 20 days, 20 working days out of the month besides holidays, and some weeks are longer than others, but it's on average 20 days a month you could trade and maybe make $1,000. That's 20 grand. If I make every single day $1,000. But as I'm growing and growing and growing, it'll be 3,000 a day. But that's way down the road. But right now, I got to concentrate on the dollar, making the dollar a day. Because $1, and plus this stock here, I can only use 3x leverage with my broker. My broker only allows me to use 3x leverage. This broker here is called Ocean One. This Ocean One broker is an offshore broker, and it's a good broker to have if you're not working with the PDT. If you're not above the PDT, it's a good broker to have. And I like it too even more because it has the leverage is really good. The leverage is really good. It's a 6x leverage on most stocks. This right here is a 3x leverage, which is still good. So $5,000 is $15,000, and let's do some math. 15,000 divided by, let's say what I got in, 53 times 54. It's $283, and that's $1. $283. $283 is $6,000 a month. $283 is about $6,000 a month. That takes care of all your bills. Yeah. If you get lucky, you can make three. If you make $3 a day, you make more than that. But that's a good day right there. So I did good. $1.34 made $57. That's fine. So tomorrow we're right back at it again. Thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you soon.